Guys, when I'm talking about a sneaker gem, this right here is a sneaker gem. The Nike Air Max 1 Urawa, straight from Japan, guys, remastered, went down so far in the radars that now you can cop a piece of history on the low. Hit my intro, let's get to it. What's going on, YouTube fam? Hopefully you find yourself in health, wealth, prosperity, and all great things. And of course, staying away from the drama. Guys, leave that alone. Guys, this gem that I'm bringing to you today was, like I said in the beginning, under the radar 100%. And it's something that I think you guys might be interested in. You gotta take a look at these bad boys right here. These, from the materials to the colors to the details. Guys, let's get into it immediately. And you already know how I start this off. The materials. Oh, this is the left side this time. You notice that? And the toe box. The mesh. High quality. All the way through. This is some thick mesh. I'm not going to lie to you guys. This is thick. Very nice. You know I always got to add the nice. If I say it's very nice, that means it's good quality. Good quality. The leather surrounding the toe box. Prime quality. Prime quality all the way through. And I'm talking about it has that ashy feel too. You guys know when the leather has the ashy feel, it's high quality. Something like the Amamanier, you know, that it feels dusty. Yeah, you guys probably know or probably have no idea what the hell I'm talking about. But yes, it does have that feel, very buttery. On the top of the toe box, it has like a little tumbled leather in white, and the whole upper of the shoe is surrounded with that light gray leather. The tongue is in the exact same leather material as the rest of the shoe. All the way on top of the tongue, you see the Nike tab right there in gold. Very nice. And the lace holders are in red. That gives it a nice pop. Going to the insole of the shoe, you see the dragon and the whole insole in red, and the dragon is in black with the swoosh in the bottom. Before we even keep going, why is it a dragon? Guys, this has to do with Japan. Japanese soccer team, Urawa Dragons. That's what this represents. That's the collaboration with the team. It's a collaboration with a soccer team, guys. Just so you guys can get that already off the rip. So we can keep going with the details and you'll understand what the collaboration is for. Now let's keep going. Going to the side of the shoe, you see right there the white splitting the black with the gray. Very nice. The swoosh is in tumbled leather, and the ankle collar is all in that black mesh. Going all the way to the back of the shoe, beautiful stitching of the Japanese soccer team, the Urawa Dragons. And you can see the different panels, the one in the bottom to the top, but they're exactly the same color, same material as well, guys. Going to the midsole of the sneaker, pure money white. Gorgeous all the way through. I'm a sucker for white, guys. It is what it is. Now, why don't I like the Jordan 4 white cements? Don't ask me. I just have no idea why I don't like those shoes, guys. Just keep it alone. Keep it alone. Because I know somebody in the comments is going to be like, oh, but Primo, you don't like the white cements and those are white. I don't know what it is, bro. I don't know how to explain it, all right? It's just something there that doesn't, it's like a twitch. It doesn't work. But we're not talking about that. We're talking about the Urawas and the white of the Urawa. But like I was saying, the whole midsole in white and the air bubble inside is in red. Going to the sole of the sneaker, nothing crazy. It doesn't have the dragon. It doesn't have anything like that. It just has the Nike and Air embossed in the sole. And everything has like a little speckled black on it, if you want to put it like that, like it was something like a cardboard. You know, you guys know the cardboard that is brown, but it has these little specks in black. Pretty much that's what it is. That gives it a little bit of a contrast from the midsole to the actual sole. Very nice. And that's pretty much it when it comes to these Air Maxes. The key of this shoe, guys, is the simple fact of the collaboration between the Japanese soccer team and Nike. That's the part that gets the most attention to it. The dragon in the back, the dragon in the insole, the gold in the tongue. This collaboration, it's not the original. This one, guys, is not the original. The original one, I'm gonna put it in the screen right there. That's the original collaboration. This is more of an updated version, guys. This one that I'm showing you is the updated version of the collaboration between the soccer team and Nike. So the reality of it is, guys, this updated version, me personally, I like it more than the original. It's just the way it is. I don't have the original, so I'm not going to say anything about it. I don't have the original. I might get it in the future because I really like this collaboration. I like the significance of it. But when it comes to at least colors, styling, the whole shebang, this is the shoe to go with. As you guys can see right there in the screen, looks wonderful, looks great. It can match with anything. It could go with black clothing, white clothing, red clothing, whatever the hell you want to wear, shorts, jeans, whatever. These shoes go perfect with it. And when it comes to the comfortability of these shoes, I gotta say it, I love Air Max 1s. To me, Air Max 1s are very comfortable. And when it comes to the sizing, just in case you guys are gonna get into Air Max 1s, I personally could go 9.5, 10, 10.5 on Air Maxes. Don't even question that on me. I did a video about it. That the sizing, I don't know, there's something weird about this shoe, and at least my foot. I have a pair of 10.5 jellies that I'll bring you guys the review of it. Very rare Air Max 1. And dude, I just don't know what it is. It's a 10.5. I'm a 9.5. This shoe right here, I think it's a 10. Let me make sure, guys. Yes, this is a 10. Look, right there. That's a size 10. I don't know if you guys can see it perfectly on the screen, but it fits great. But I have the big bubbles and I have the jades. They're all size 9.5, and they fit great also. But I got those jellies 10.5, and they fit identically the same. Don't ask me. Like I said, guys, that to me, it's a mind boggler to this day. I don't even know if that's a real word, but it is what it is, guys. But yes, there you guys have it. The Urawa Air Max 1. I'm very glad I didn't mess up on that word 100,000 times and then I have to redo it. Man, I made sure to practice it, guys. At first it was Urawa, Urawa. I was all over the place. And maybe I'm still saying it wrong. Whatever. Urawa, it is what it is. And that's pretty much it for today, guys. I'm going to be bringing a lot more of these gems. Keep an eye open on them. I know you guys like it. I've had very good results with these. And that's mainly what I want to do. Just lighten up the people to get into different things and not just the hype and the same old Jordans. Because, guys, let's be realistic. All we're doing is just buying different colorways, and that's kind of whack. But anyways, guys, till next time, I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. Think outside the box. Remember that. Peace. I was about to do the peace. Echo it.